Welcome to Empirica, your new research assistant, by Jalen Francis, Farhan Sadiq, Jason Clark, and Edward Kim. So a little bit about our AI and architecture. We have our front end that has a hypothesis discovery interface, project and PDF management, and then to get PDFs, you can either upload locally or you use our agentic sourcer for automated research. We have a research and NLP pipeline where we aggregate PDFs from sources, perform text extraction, graph construction, and document chunking for our RAG. And under our AI layer, we have our RAG system for semantic search and embeddings, and a research chatbot for context-aware interaction. Now for our data flow, basically we source the PDFs, bring it to our natural language processing, use our RAG model, feed it to our AI agents, and feed that all to the front end. Alright, so when you get into Empirica, here's the landing page, so you'll go ahead and get started with Google. Once in, you'll be able to see any projects you have, so we're going to go ahead and create our first project. Here, I dropped 2 research papers involving cancer, and then I'm going to go ahead and press Generate Knowledge Graph. Now once we're in, we're able to see our nodes and edges, and we can select individual papers and look at entities. So we can go by and we can see how certain things are connected to different edges. There's also a 3D view, and so we can click and drag around so we can see everything. So here we can see how intestinal is connected to CTLA4, Fusobacterium, and SCFAs in tumors, and exactly how they're related. Now, one of our premier features is that we have our discovery lab where we can go ahead and generate. This utilizes our AI pipeline to find potential research hypotheses to test. Okay, so a few AI-powered insights I discovered was field cancerization, micro-INR, signatures, and NSCLC progression. This will search papers on Google Scholar and PubMed to try to come up with a bigger research collection and build a bigger graph. Okay, now I've found some key insights where we can see that the most connected entity is patients, some strong relationship between gastric cancer and CTCs, and what our research focus should be, and any research gaps identified so that we can try to find more research in the future.